used to work, I used to shoot these kind of content. Well, not really content, but my company. Yo.
Welcome back in the day. Oh, yep. Go on, Mason. That's it. Can you make me look somewhat skinnier? Can you not put a little bit of you and all of me? Can you change the angle? Whoa! Yeah, go gorgeous.
Call me the Fab Marlon, but
Go on.
you know what I'm saying?
Massa. Pakai dia kai ya? Ya, pakai pakai. Oh.
The old man.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Who would have had it? No, it wasn't.
Wow, Caleb.
Go again.
One.
That was like
200.
300. You went to Zeus.
I went to zebra.
So guys, we're here at just the food truck area here in Narre Warren. We're gonna check out some food maybe come in with
You know Turkish food? What?
very cold, very cold.
What's up, everyone? We are here at Narre Eats. Let me have a saw.
I get this kind here because I make them famous. Remember, I make them famous.
We're just gonna try all the foods. It's my brother's first time here. He's from Samoa. Smash burger. Satisfied.
I'm gonna get a ton of
This is me and Mom.
Hello everyone, we're here in Narre Warren, Melbourne, Victoria, and we just tried the hot dogs from Tasty Spuds. Off my first bite I could tell that it was a good meal. The bread was slightly toasted, the kransky was very nice and tender, and the sauce was beautiful. Amazing.
As you can see, there's a bit of very juicy sausage. Very juicy.
Have you seen the Moana truck?
Very juicy. But to rate it out of 1 to 10, I'll give it a -10. Nah, it's actually pretty alright.
All right, everyone. We are gonna do a review. We're here at Narre Eats. We each got food from different stores. Where did you get yours from?
Satisfied.
So hers is Satisfied. Yep. And her. What? And we have tacos, which we got it from that yellow one right there. Can you give us a review on a scale of 1 to 10? How good is that chicken that you're eating right now?
What, 8.5?
8.5. Okay, what sauce did you dip it in?
Hot honey sauce.
Oh, that's what we were gonna get. Can I try?
Yeah, try it. The chilliness cuts with the sweetness.
Is that better than
It's- Oh, I love ranch. Yes, of course I want to try it. It's actually right. It's hot. Oh gosh. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm just gonna. That's nice. What's the restaurant called? Satisfied. Satisfied.
Had a taco, but I ate the other two because. But on a scale of 1 to 10, I give it a solid 5. That's me being generous. Very generous. It's not spicy, not too shabby.
I will see next time.
Let me give you
Cook the chicken in this. Like they do like the Korean.
It's nice and cheesy, it's very good, but I feel like I can make this at home. And I'm not a very good cook.
Yeah.
Because I'm just mucking around. Damn, I look good. See that heat over here? Another heat over there. Another heat over here.
Hi everyone. So right now I'm eating Satisfied. Satisfied. They opened a couple of days ago here in Narre Warren, in the usual food truck area. It's a nice place here in. It's just across the road from the Fountain Gate place. I ordered the winglet fried food combo. Comes with winglets and tenders. Gets chips and coleslaw and pickles. And let's see how it goes, huh? Oh, it's actually not that bad. It's good. It's got a bit of nice spice to it. The crunchiness and the fried, I reckon it's good. It's not like your regular like KFC type of fried chicken, but I reckon it's good. I reckon it's nice. It's like their signature spice sauce, so yeah. I'll give it a try. 3. It's a bit hot, so give me a sec to try and cool it down a bit. Wow. That's good. That's some good tenders. It's not like your typical like breast chicken, how they cut it up. It's got a bit of like softness to it that helps you like chew on it, and you see all that moisture in there. It's nice. It'll be good, you know. That's the chicken tenders. The chips are nice. Oh, they're beautiful. Yeah, beautiful. I'll try out their winglets. I would have a bite without dipping it in sauce. Give me a taste. Oh man.
One of the stuff that I miss most about Melbourne is the access to food, especially at this time of the night. Because back home in Samoa, you only have the supermarkets that are open until like 10 o'clock. Everything else closed. Unless you live in town near McDonald's, then McDonald's is like your only option. But today we had a taste of Mexican food, kebab, Middle Eastern food. Man, top notch. See there? That's literally where we were eating. You can still see Kopo and Lucy there. And this is where we dropped them off.
Arigato.
This is where we dropped them off to their car. Boy, Rich. That's my pork belly. 10 out of 10. Wow. What's your name? Is your name Odayas? Tata. Tata. Say Tata. That's my beautiful sister Letta. Hey Letta. That's Letta's baby. I'm at the choir. Mom, Dad, Leo, Ronzo, Biden, Maka, Alpha, and Caleb.